There are times when you may need to remove your needles, which is easy to do. You simply lift up the needle, pull it forward, and then you can pull forward the needle next to it to give some slack to the cylinder band. Lift the needle out. To put the needle back, again, pull forward on the neighbor needle, put the leg of the needle down in first, and then tip it back and push it in. Note that you'll need to do that on the bottom half of the cylinder because you can't raise and lower needles when they're in this half because they get caught under the V-cams. Sometimes for a pattern, you'll need to lift and lower needles while you're knitting, which is also simple. Just lift up the needles. You can kind of twist them a little bit so that they stay up on that shelf, and they will stay. It's just fine. One thing to note, make sure they're not halfway up because then they can get caught by that V-cam. Like right now you can see I can't turn the cylinder at all because it's caught right here at the start of the V-cam. So you have to be either above or below the V-cam, but watch that sometimes a halfway up needle can get caught and keep your entire cylinder from turning. When it's time to push the needles back down, very important, make sure that you tuck in the latches. So this is the loom tool. You pull the needle forward to create some slack, pull out the stitch and push the needle down, making sure that the latch gets tucked into the stitch. And again, you can raise and lower needles along the bottom half of the cylinder, but not the top because the V-cams will be in the way. That's all there is to it. Happy knitting! Visit us at deanandbean.com and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.